Changing the language in a Payoneer app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app. Launch the Payoneer app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access the menu. Locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to open the navigation options. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll through the menu options and select Settings. This section contains various customizable features for your account. Step 4. Select Language Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Language or Language Preferences option. Tap on it to view the available languages. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Browse the list of languages and select your preferred option. The app will automatically update to reflect a new language setting. After completing these steps, the Payoneer app will display content in your chosen language. If you need to change it again in the future, simply repeat the process.